Hi, and welcome to the Cos Tutor. I've spent over 18 years in the beauty industry, working behind the chair, running businesses, and teaching in the classroom. And out of everything I've done, teaching is the one that stayed with me. I've watched students doubt themselves, struggle with theory, and feel overwhelmed trying to connect the why behind what they're learning. But I've also watched those same students have that moment where it finally clicks and everything changes. That's why I created the Cos Tutor, not just to teach information, but to help students understand it, retain it, and actually feel confident using it. For a long time, the systems and tools I built stayed inside my classroom. Now I'm sharing them with anyone who needs them. If you're a beauty student trying to make sense of it all, you're not alone. We're going to figure it out together. I'm glad you're here. Let's get to learning.